This has my stepdad's last name on it, so I'm not going to show you the front. But today we're going to be unboxing something. Is this what I think it is? I think it's an elevator button. Let's find out. I already know it is, because I did get it off of eBay. And it is pretty small. It's tape everywhere. Oh, I see it. Oh my God, yes! This is actually kind of big. Like bigger than I expected it to be. And here are the wires for if I ever want to hook it up. Let's connect. Let's see if we can connect this. Nope, I think it goes the other way around. Oh, I'm not going to do it now. I'm so glad I have my elevator button, though. You already almost loosened one of the screws. I'm going to see what's inside of here. Because I'm really curious to see what's inside of here. A few minutes later, it could come off. Wait, all it's doing is spinning, though. Oh, here we go. Oh, you can actually take it off. Oh, this didn't come off because of this screws. It just came off by screwing it off. I don't think you can actually take this thing. Oh, I actually can. That button would, I'm not sure if it would like turn on a light. Alright, you screwed this cap back on. It is as tight as possible now. Actually, like it off better. I might have said that I liked it on more, but I changed my mind. Actually, like it off like that. I'm gonna make a new intro with my new elevator button real quick. Alright, I finished my new intro, and here's what it is. That new intro is similar to another one of my new intros. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please like and subscribe to Gold Baby Bell TV.